So depending on the project, you might want to get your roads or drainage adopted. Now we have a lot of experience in getting those through adoption process, making sure that what we design will be acceptable to the local highway authorities or the drainage undertakers.
There's a range of options when it comes to adoption, from 278, which will be your new junction, which will be on the majority of sites that we work with, through to section 38s for the road adoption, and the 104s for through 104s for drainage adoptions. Each come with their own trials and tribulations, but our extensive experience of working with local authorities, from highway authorities to water authorities, in getting these processes through, we've found, as most things, it's early engagement with these authorities to find their requirements and merge them in with the client requirements to make sure we've got a design that works for all. When it comes to wastewater, we've got extensive experience in both options that we've had, whether you're using an on-site wastewater treatment works and the required permissions from the EA and local water authorities, or through to an adopted system, whether that's pumped or via gravity. We have experience in designing all of them and being able to provide advice in the early stage as the pluses and minuses of each option.
Being through the process of adoptions, with a lot of our schemes we understand the processes, we can inform the client of what information they might need. It's hard to comment on the timeline sometimes, but you know, we can be realistic about how long the authority takes to approve stuff. It's also understanding client requirements from the start, because a lot of the time stuff to an adoptable standard will be slightly different spec than something that you can do if you want a slightly more economical site.